In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a text box to your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. So to add a text box, you can either go to the Edit menu here on top and then you have Add Content Text, or you can find Text or Tools and then just type text and it will give you all the options available. But when you use this Add Text option here, you can see you can edit your format in which you want to add your text, and then you can just drag out a box here, and in this box you can type. And here you can type your text, and this is how you can easily add text boxes to the size you want to, and it just adjusts. If I now press enter, you see that the text box adjusts to my text. And like that, you can easily add text boxes to your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.